most of you guys have received your huge haul. Unfortunately, this time I didn't really have a very big wish list because I've been buying things I needed here and there before the sale. So still was trying to browse and see what I can get and add to my collection from the sale, because all of you guys have been rushing to the store during the sale, which motivated me to buy some more. Anyway, so the mini haul I have from Sephora I'll be sharing in this video with you guys. Before moving on, can we take a moment to appreciate this beautiful bouquet of roses by Rose Forever? Look how gorgeous they are. Absolutely stunning. My absolute favorite flowers are roses, and when it's white they are top notch. So this bouquet is so pretty. I look at them every single day, and the fun fact about these bouquets are they don't die in a week like any regular bouquet, so they can last up to 1 year or more when taken good care of, and they come with instructions. They do have many different sizes, colors and patterns for the bouquet, so definitely check them out. Whenever you have to buy roses for yourself or someone you love, definitely go for Rose Forever, because they are not gonna go to the trash within a week. It makes me so sad every time I receive flowers and I have to throw them away within a week, because no matter how much I try to take good care of them, they die within 7 days. But this one I'll get to keep with me for years. I am so excited and love these white roses. Okay, so now it's the time to get started with the stuff I got from the Sephora sale. So starting with so I got this foundation which I already own, but I thought my current bottle is almost less than half. So this is Liquid Touch Foundation by Rare Beauty. This is the darker shade, so I always mix one shade darker and one shade lighter than my skin tone. So the dark one is almost over, so I got another one. This is 240W, and it comes in this bottle, and it has an applicator. It doesn't have a pump. I don't really like the foundations with the pumps because they waste a lot of products. I still haven't opened it yet, but yeah, it comes with this applicator, which is very useful. I find it very useful. Okay, I'm showing you a swatch here. Medium coverage, which you can build up for full coverage. This is the one I use on a daily basis. Blends in really nicely. Next, I got a concealer, Kosas. I was influenced to buy this from TikTok because this one apparently is the current best-selling and most wanted foundation. So I wanted to give it a try, and I also saw very good reviews on Sephora app. It's really like 5.3 ml, and I heard it gives you really nice good coverage. Okay, swatch. I can try. I don't want to waste too much product though. Okay, it really is a little lighter than my foundation, which I want, and yeah, seems quite thick. I haven't yet used it on my face, but I'll give you another review once I try it on my face. It's really good though. And I got the shade 5.5 medium with subtle olive undertones. I was looking for a highlighter too. So this is a liquid, this is tinted Hue Glow highlighter drops. They also have a bigger bottle. I got the small one because I don't really need that many highlighter for now. And it's a liquid. It actually gives a very nice healthy glow to your skin. I don't know if you can see it, but like it's a really nice glow. Like even when you try on your face, it gives like a very natural, but it I tried it once. It's best when you use it under your foundation as a base, and the look it gives is like a very glowy skin. About this, it's very underrated. Like I haven't seen anyone absolutely stunning. They have 3 different shades. One was a little darker, one was a more lighter, and this is like a middle shade which goes with my undertone. Really love the consistency. Something from Charlotte Tilbury. I tried this on in Sephora. I tried out their tester and really fell in love with, but at that time I wasn't really looking forward to buy this. This is like this is called Glowgasm Beauty Light Wen High Blush. So it's more like a blush with highlighter. I don't know anything, but Charlotte Tilbury is so good. This is how it looks like. The color was absolutely stunning. Oh, okay. Oh, I haven't tried it yet, so should I? Oh no, I'm scared to try. Oh, you have to try. Oh, it's coming. Ooh, do you see the glow? I don't want to waste too much product now. It looks stunning. It's like a rose gold. Oh wow. This is gonna be so gorgeous on your skin. I think with this you don't really need another highlighter. This is stunning. This is so stunning. I would love using it. The last item I got is this lipstick by Merit, and this was the shade Classic, I believe. The packaging looks absolutely gorgeous. Yes, the shade is Classic. This is gonna be so good. Let me show you a swatch. I was looking for a regular matte pinkish lipstick, a warm pink tone, and this is gonna be that. I haven't tried Merit lipstick before, but my sister said they are really great, and I tried them on as a tester. Those were really good, so thought of giving it a try. I'm sure I'm gonna love this one as well. So that was all from my Sephora haul recently, and also moving on to, I also have to show you some self-care items I recently got from Amazon. So first one is the dry shampoo. Tasty. We all know this is so far the best dry shampoo. Well, for me it is, because I tried many different other brands. Every other dry shampoo left a residue on my scalp, which is quite visible. But sticking to this for many years now, I got the bigger bottle, which is 350 ml, and was only $12.99. But I think the price might have changed now. I recently saw, but I'll definitely link it down below so you can just grab it. It's really good. I can now postpone my hair wash day, and definitely it adds a lot of It also adds a lot of volume to your hair, and this flavor has an amazing smell. I would definitely recommend this flavor particularly. It's like a very fresh floral fruity scent. It makes you feel like you've had freshly shampooed hair. Ooh, okay. So I was looking for some good hair oil, and this rosemary oil, I saw like many good reviews on Amazon and I wanted to give it a try. I've used it 3 times already, and every time I use it, my hair feels more smooth and I'm having less hair fall visibly. It comes with this applicator, which is very handy to use. It also comes with a regular cover which you can replace after every use, so it keeps it fresh. It's 198 ml and it was like about $12. I would say this is one of the great investments, which is not at all expensive. I'll also link it down below. I'm pretty sure most of you have seen this, like on TikTok, on YouTube, everywhere. People have been praising it, and it is true. I also was in need of a heat protectant spray. I just went for the Tresemme. This smells really good, adds a good volume to your hair, and definitely protects from the heat. Comes with a nice spray bottle. It's very smooth finish and lasts for a long time because it's only 236 ml, but I've been using it and it's still almost full. When anyone has a yellow hue on their teeth, it really makes me, I don't like yellow hue. I always have to have some whitening strip. This one is by Crest, 3D whitening strips, and this one has 20 strips. It was about 24 bucks. I've used one so far and the results were quite amazing. Yeah, I got visibly whiter teeth. Before this one, I was using the one by Fairy Will. So this one came with 24 strips as well as a UV kit. It came with the wire and the UV. So basically this UV light activates the whitening strips, and how they work, it activates and makes it work faster and more efficiently. So this one definitely makes a difference. So now that I already have it, I don't really need another one of these, so I'm just getting the strips. But I saw in Amazon that the seller is not selling the Fairy Will anymore, or not any other seller is selling these ones. But the one with good reviews was the one by Crest. I tried this and it's also pretty good. Then for foot care, I got this shredder. You might know about this thing. This is for getting rid of all the dead skin that you might have on your foot. This one is really great. Before I had one which was like a more finer version of this one, but this one absolutely is great because I saw this one exactly being used in my pedicure place, and from there I was influenced to get this one. Absolutely love it. You must try it after shower. Again, I was influenced from TikTok is this mascara. This is L'Oreal Paris Panorama. Yeah, L'Oreal Paris Panorama. I saw lots of videos about this one. Yes, this one absolutely makes your lashes look a lot more thicker and longer. So before trying on this one, I was using the Maybelline Sky High mascara, which was also good. But after using this one, I think this is giving me much more volume and a lot more longer lashes. I also recently tried the Dior one. It's a trial size, and this is also really good. So I think the Dior and the L'Oreal Panorama are quite similar in terms of volume and length. So either you try this one. If you don't like Dior, you can definitely, if you want drugstore, go for this one. This is also absolutely stunning. Alright, so this is all about my Sephora haul and my Amazon haul for the month. So let me know what you guys got during the sale, or what was your favorite purchase this season. I'll be replying to all the comments and all the queries. Let me know. And that's all for today's video, and I hope you watched till the end. And if you did, do like my video and also subscribe to my channel. We'll be coming back with more content very soon. Bye.